Day 4. We're gonna go to the town today. Zante Town, just waiting for Lee to wake up. Got a guy over there. There's like no one in the hotel. He keeps putting his towels down and reserving beds. It's 7:30. No, you're not even allowed in the pool. But you're not getting in there. Too cold. Just wants that seat. Will your eyes still smile from your cheek? Darling, I will be loving. The hell was that? Here we are down by the harbour. Down by Zante Harbour. Look at that boat. I don't know how we crossed. I guess you just. I literally think you just go. I don't know how to cross. There's a red man. Maybe there's a button. There is a button.
Why is it so low?
It's down there. It's for midgets. Oh, laugh. If it did what?
Heck down in the face. Heck down in the face, that's horrible.
I just love it when they got a sign saying the locals eat here. Do they? I thought it was empty. It's 100 degrees up here. Absolutely boiling. And everyone's wearing like a jacket and a coat on that, aren't they?
Yeah.
Can't believe it. Just look round. Look over there at those two. They're wearing a full jacket. We are sweltering here. We saw some guy buying a coat. Where's he buying a coat for? Why is he buying a coat?
It's very, very cold and very, very chilly. My teeth are really chattering and this is really silly.
Oh. Here we are, walking to the bus station. Cars in the bush for some reason crashed. Here we are, bus station, up someone's house, by the mountain. Woman in the shop's never even heard of the bus station, eh? Yeah, you'll walk down the beach, try and see the sunset. Oh, that'll be good. Coming down slowly, so I think it's got 10 minutes or so. Well, until we're going to go, and then seeing the sunset down at the beach. With the waves crashing. It's going. Soon. You can see out of it. Yeah, but it's not setting properly, it's setting over there. Here he goes. He's going. He's gone. See you later. It's beautiful, isn't it? Right, you can't see much, but me and Lee are out here listening to karaoke. So we'll just film. This is day 4 night. We'll just listen to what's going on next and our reaction. So we don't know what it's going to be, but we wait. We've had Let It Go, Candyman, God knows what.
I don't know.
Empire State of Mind. And we're waiting.
Cigar.
It started out funny when everyone was bad, but now we've got some professionals coming on now.